This question over here is basically, why are there more dudes than dudettes?
Need a custom-built PC gaming rig? Need to upgrade that old computer? Need some great accessories to step up your game? Are you having problems with your gaming rig or need it repaired? Do all this and much more at Store 974. Store 974. Let the games begin.
Hey there guys, it's MR.Q, friendly neighborhood Qatari here, and today we're going to be answering the most searched questions about Qatar on Google. Now, a lot of you have questions because you're either planning on visiting, or you're planning on moving over here, or you're just curious. And I'm going to answer those questions for you.
Me?
Alright, so this question is a serious question, and it's what I did an intro on. Why are there more males than females in Qatar? So according to the data from the Statistics Authority on June 2021, there are 1.8 million males and there are around 700,000 females. It's basically a 3-to-1 ratio. So don't forget that there are a lot of people that come in from around the world into this country. In fact, we are 10% of the population. And a lot of those people are also skilled workers. And that means that they're most likely male. Now let me go ahead and just say real quick that women can absolutely be skilled workers too if they wanted to. It's just that they aren't applying for these jobs. But let me just go ahead and mention that in regards to the Qataris in Qatar, the population is actually predominantly female. Yeah, there are more women than men. Before I jump to the next question, let me just go ahead and say that I really appreciate all the expats that are coming over here to Qatar to not only, get a better future and build their life, but also help build this country. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, another question that people ask is, does Qatar have taxes? Now, it's a yes and it's a no, because we mostly don't have any taxes, like you don't have any income tax, but there are some small taxes here and there, such as import tax, so if you're gonna buy something online instead of buying it here locally. And then you also have like a company tax. So if you've got a company and you're a foreigner, you're gonna be taxed on your share. Also, we don't have any VAT. VAT stands for value added tax. But of course, don't forget, check the date of this video because I can't predict the future. Now, there are taxes that are applied on specific products like energy drinks. But don't worry, you as a customer pay what you see on the shelf. There is no added tax to the price that you're paying.
No new taxes!
All right, next question. I guess this is for all of you Americans. Does Qatar have a zip code? And I imagine people are buying things online and then ask for a zip code. And it doesn't even give you an option to not put a zip code because a lot of people don't know that not everywhere has a zip code. But we don't. There's no zip code. So you know what I end up doing? I end up putting 00000. But you know what? Sometimes some websites will say no. 00000 is not a valid number. So you know what number I put?
97400 is what I put.
Is that what you put? No, I don't do that. I put the code based on the show that I watch, Beverly Hills 90210. And also, just to add this as well, we don't have a postcode. In the UK, they have postcodes. We don't have postcodes. So what you'll typically do is you'll put your house, your block, your street, your area. So in this case, this is like the Qtip area. And then you put Doha, Qatar. If you wanted, you could also have a post box with Q post, and then you'll have a post box number, and then they can deliver this up to you.
A special delivery.
All right, so the final question that people have asked, and I guess this is for like a geography class or something. Where is Qatar located? Qatar is located in the Middle East, and you can find us basically in between. You got Bahrain on our left, you got Saudi below us, you've got the UAE to our right, to our north you've got Iran, and you've got, of course, the sea in front of us. And of course, our country is a peninsula, which means that if you wanted to go ahead and chop a little bit at the bottom, we'd become an island. Yeah, that sounds really tropical. Come to the island of Qatar. Tim, right now I'm just thinking of us as an island, with like a breeze, with the emerald ocean. We wouldn't be holding a coconut. We'd be holding, I don't know, like a date juice. I'd be sitting under a shade, made out of palm tree leaves. And you know what? Just when I'm sitting on the beach, I want to be on my guitar, be on my oud, just giving you some nice chill vibes. Alright guys, so those were some of the questions that you've been searching on Google, and I've just answered them for you. If you've got any other questions, go ahead and ask us down below. Guys, if you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to give us a like, don't forget to share, and you see that bell right over there? You don't need to ask it any questions, just go ahead and click it. That's it.